A car slams into a barrier at a speed that would devastate almost anything built a decade ago. The driver's side cabin remains intact. Airbags deploy perfectly. The rear seat occupant, often the most vulnerable, emerges virtually unscathed. That vehicle? The 2025 Mazda 3. What you're seeing isn't just good luck, it's the latest chapter in automotive safety engineering. Today, manufacturers face tougher tests than ever, thanks to the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety raising the bar for 2025. But what does that mean in plain terms, and which cars passed with flying colors? Stick with me, because we're about to dig into 8 standout models and what makes them worthy. And at the end, we'll pull out the lessons you can apply whenever you're comparing cars for safety. Number 1. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 for 2025 stands out in the compact sedan category. It qualified for the IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus Award, meaning it earned good ratings in the small overlap front crash test, both driver and passenger sides, the updated moderate overlap front, and the updated side test. What makes this impressive is that smaller cars often trade off safety structures for cost, yet Mazda didn't. They engineered strong occupant protection, effective restraint systems, and crash avoidance aids. If you're shopping in the more budget-friendly sedan range, this shows you don't have to compromise. But before you take notes, we'll next look at a mid-size sedan that steps up protection further and introduces larger family practicality. Number 2. Honda Accord. In the mid-size sedan segment, the 2025 Honda Accord also secured the Top Safety Pick Plus designation. It delivered good ratings in the key crash tests, including strong rear seat protection in the updated moderate overlap test, a growing priority in the 2025 safety regime. That means if you're often carrying passengers, kids, friends, family, this vehicle's rear cabin is safer than many others. The Accord shows that size and practicality do not force you to sacrifice safety. And coming up, we'll move into crossover territory because the SUV craze raises new safety challenges and one small SUV nails them. Number 3. Mazda CX-50. Crossovers dominate sales charts these days, so it's critical they deliver elevated safety. The 2025 Mazda CX-50 earns Top Safety Pick status. It achieved good scores across small overlap front, updated moderate overlap, and updated side tests. That means you're getting SUV size, elevated seating, and versatility paired with top-tier protection. If you've thought moving into a small SUV means accepting lesser crash safety than a sedan, this one challenges that. But there's a bigger vehicle coming up, with more seats, more weight, more complexity, and we'll see how safety scales there next. Number 4. Kia Telluride. Among 3-row SUVs, the 2025 Kia Telluride stands out, also earning Top Safety Pick. It performed good in all the key crash tests: small overlap front, updated moderate overlap, and updated side. Larger cabin means more potential for energy intrusion, more structure to manage crash loads, but Telluride handles that. For families needing the space and versatility of a midsize SUV, this model shows you don't have to downgrade safety. But if you aim for luxury finishes and elite safety, the next model transitions you into that space. Number 5. Mercedes-Benz C-Class. When it comes to combining premium features with real safety, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class earns Top Safety Pick. It posted especially low intrusion numbers in the small overlap front crash and strong rear occupant protection. Luxury cars tend to focus on comfort and tech, but here you can have both luxury and strong safety engineering. If you're considering a higher-end sedan and want confidence in crash protection and crash avoidance systems, this delivers. But the next leap, electric vehicles bring not just a drivetrain difference, they also bring new architectural advantages for safety.
Number 6. Hyundai Ioniq 5. The 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 shows that electric vehicles are now serious contenders in safety, not just for eco-conscious buyers, but for safety-conscious buyers too. It also qualifies for Top Safety Pick. With a low center of gravity from its battery layout and strong crash test results, the Ioniq 5 proves EVs can lead in structural protection and occupant safety. So if you've held off EVs because of unknowns around crash worthiness, this one moves you past that hesitation. And finally, our 8th pick goes full size. If you want top size, top family capacity, and top safety, we'll close with it. Number 7. Mazda CX-90. If you're looking for a large 3-row SUV where safety is still front and center, the 2025 Mazda CX-90 earns the Top Safety Pick Plus badge. It hit good ratings in the small overlap front, updated moderate overlap, and updated side crash tests. That's particularly noteworthy because the size, weight, and structural complexity of a large 3-row make crash protection more demanding. If you thought size meant safety automatically, this shows how engineering matters. With that final model, our list of 8 is complete, and you've seen how safety performance spans sedans, SUVs, luxury, and EVs. But let's pull everything together and see what you should remember. Number 8. Honda HR-V. While our focus has been on 8 models, it's worth mentioning the 2025 Honda HR-V in the small SUV category. It too earned Top Safety Pick. If you're looking for something smaller or possibly more budget-friendly, but still prioritize safety, this one deserves a look. It shows you don't have to go big or expensive to get excellent safety ratings. If you're shopping for a new car in 2025 and safety is a non-negotiable priority, let's highlight the key things you should walk away with. First, safety is now about everyone in the vehicle, front and rear seats. The IIHS 2025 criteria require strong protection for backseat occupants, not just the driver. Second, size, price, or brand alone don't guarantee safety. A well-engineered compact sedan or a mainstream SUV can outperform bigger or more expensive models if it meets the good ratings across all key crash tests. Third, the Top Safety Pick Plus badge is your fastest shortcut. When a model has that, you know it passed the highest available bar for the year. Fourth, electric vehicles and crossovers aren't compromising on safety anymore, they're leading it. Fifth, always check the specific model year and trim for your region. Even within a model line, equipment, build date, or regional differences may change whether the rating applies. Finally, while no car can guarantee you'll avoid a crash entirely, these 8 models show you can substantially increase your odds of walking away. Higher odds are what safety is all about. In short, you're not just buying a vehicle, you're buying peace of mind. The 2025 tests have raised the bar. The models we covered cleared it. If you keep those lessons in mind, you'll be far better positioned to choose a vehicle that actually protects. And that matters more than ever.